Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to take a screenshot on Microsoft Surface Studio 2. So, to take a screenshot, you can either press the print screen button under the F8. This will make the screenshot or capture toolbar appear at the top of your screen, or you can also press the combination of Windows, Shift, and S buttons simultaneously, which will result in the same toolbar. And after that, you're gonna have to select this front-facing camera icon and then select one of the 4 available screenshot methods. Let's start with the rectangular one. To take a rectangular screenshot, you basically have to use this crosshair to make a selection on your screen and take a screenshot of it. Then the screenshot will be automatically saved to File Explorer, Pictures, Screenshots. Here it is. Now, the following method to take a screenshot is the window screenshot. If you select window in here, you can click on the window and take a screenshot of the window itself. The third option is the full screen screenshot, and if you select it in here, you'll be able to screenshot your entire screen in one click. And the last one is the Freeform screenshot, which basically lets you draw any shape that you like on your screen, like this, and a screenshot of it will be taken. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.